Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I am doing another unboxing. This time it's for a company that I don't think that I've showed everybody yet, but I will be showing today. This is my third box from this company, and it's called Stylogic. So, Stylogic comes in a nice size bag, a box. I have not opened it. I just unsealed the tape here so it'd be a little quicker. Stylogic is a subscription company, and it's similar to Stitch Fix, Dia & Co., Trunk Club, Wannable. They send you 5 items with each box. If you keep all 5, you have the discount. Your styling fee is applied to anything you might purchase from the box. They also give you the envelope to send any things that you don't want back. Very, very similar. One nice thing about this company is they do correspond with you via email. They have you set up a Pinterest board that is just for them. My stylist is Alice K. And I do believe if you sign up under me with my referral, I think you get the same stylist. So I think this is, it's a little bit different with this one. Alice is wonderful. She is so helpful. All I have to do is email her if I need an extension, if I need a size exchange, if I'm looking for something slightly different. She does her absolute best to find that for me. So she is amazing to work with. Just a great stylist. So I'm going to open this up. Let's take a look. And see if I can tip this without losing it all. So that is how it comes. Got your envelope and then your information right on the top. And then you'll see it's a cute little polka dot tissue that she's used this time. And here's my information. All right. So I see something I might like. This is a little bit more expensive of a box than what I've had in the past, but I did ask for some specific items, and she actually sent me, she sent me 7 items. And she said if I liked all 5, I could enjoy 20% off. So yeah, she sent me 7 items. Isn't that wonderful? So I get to try all kinds of things. And at the bottom it does give the total cost. The items here go from $45 up to $80, and $80 being a puffer vest. So hey, that's great. Jeans $45, $60, and then a jegging for $68. There's a blouse for $50. It looks like a knit top for $45, a sweater for $55, and then the puffer vest for $80. So subtotal for all 7 is $403. With a discount, 20% is $80.60. Styling fee discount is $25, and the total for all 7 is $297.40. So that is pretty good. I see a couple things on here I might already like, so let's dig in. Note from my stylist says, "Dear Sandy, thank you so much for choosing Stylogic to be your personal styling service. For this set, I selected the following: blue/white floral roll-up sleeve blouse, indigo minimalist jeggings, black rinse contour skinny ankle denim, powder blue puffer vest, blue multi-striped top, dark rinse embroidered skinny jean." I'm not real big into embroidery. Medium heather gray 3/4 sleeve sweater. For your next outfit, I saw this powder blue puffer vest and thought it was perfect for you. To wear with it, I thought this blue embroidered denim looked super cute with it. Embroidered denim is very on trend this season. I love that the embroidery on these jeans was simple and classic versus over the top. She knows me well. For tops to wear under the vest, I included 2 blue tops and a gray sweater. She also knows that I have a hard time putting things together, and I've often asked her for things to put under other items I had received. I also included a dark rinse denim pant and a black denim pant. As promised, I included an extra top and another pair of black denim for you to try on with this set. I hope the black denim fits this time. So she took what I had mentioned the last time, gave me 2 extra pieces. I am praying this set gets to you in time for your wedding. As I pushed your order up in the queue and really searched for something that I thought fit what you wanted. I hope you like what I sent and the sizes worked. Feel free to email me. She lists her email. Really appreciate any and all feedback. I don't have a wedding coming up. So I'm not really sure what she meant by that. For your wedding. I'm going to have to look at my calendar, make sure I'm not forgetting anything. You know I'm getting older, so there might be a wedding that I need to go to that I need to remember. Because Alice has it down, so she's amazing. So if anybody's looking for something to try, this is one fun company to try, and they just don't seem to get the the mention of some of the others, and I'm not sure why. They are, a little bit cheaper. They reach out to different brands, maybe not the most expensive, but I've had Ralph Lauren, I've had Cambridge Dry Goods, I've had Coach, I've had Levi, I've had Torrid. So it's really just the span there is great. So they also price match like some of the others do, which is fabulous. So they get these pieces in, they've got the MSRP on things, and that's what they put out. But obviously things go on sale, so, and that's not the fault of the stylist, because they can't keep up with everything. So here is the bag for anything that you want to return. It's a very big bag. All right, we're gonna dig in. So excited. And I love puffer vests, so. Here is a pair of jeggings. These actually feel really, really comfy. Not too skinny. These are by Alexander Jordan. And just check out how nice that tag is. I'm all about the tag. And I look at these tags because you get an idea of how circuited the product is by looking at the tag. So, just a tip. So those are the ones that just have the very slight embroidery, and I don't mind that. I had tried on a Jessica Simpson, and I really just don't like the brand. But the embroidery was just, it was, pretty much, and it was just no, as my friend says, no bueno. It was no bueno. It was really, really bad. So for me, I'm almost 50, so these are great. Here is a pair of ankle skinny jeans by AG Denim. They've got a nice stretch to them. Nice bottom, not too skinny. A really nice black. Back up a little bit. And these are what they call the contour denim. Contour denim sculpts to the body while providing maximum stretch and comfort. Hey, that is fabulous. I'm a fan of contour denim. Once again, looking at the tag, I look at the tag every single item I get. So here is the tag, and then it talks a little bit more about the contour denim on the back. So I will look forward to trying those on. The next set of jeans that I have, these are by Curve Appeal. Minimalist jegging. Here is the tag, and it has some information on the back about the denim care. Shape, comfort, beauty, confidence. There's the curve compass. Tags are nice on this. Features a modern high-rise fitted from waist to ankle and hits just above the ankle. And these are really pretty, like an indigo. Oh, beautiful. I actually love these, especially for like working. Okay, you just all toppled on me there, so. All right, here is my second bundle. Oh, I am loving the colors in there. How fun. I haven't really had a lot of blue, so I tend to get a lot of burgundies. So how exciting is that? So first up is this blouse. It has the little tabbed sleeve on it. This is by Fever. It is by Fever. And it's got a little keyhole back. And it has a high-low with a little bit of a polka dot. This is actually really pretty. It's not a style that I've ever really worn, but it's really pretty. So I'll have to try that on. I do tell Stylist to send me, one piece out of every box that is that pushes my style a little bit, and I appreciate that because I'm a very jeans and t-shirt kind of girl. So. And this is by, I'm not sure, Something Women. I'll have to look on the price thing. This is a very lightweight, gosh, she knows me well, doesn't she? Very lightweight gray sweater with some nice stripy detail on the bottom. And then it's got the shorter sleeve with the same stripy material. How cute is that? Boy, she did a bang up job on this box. Bang up job. This shirt is by Canar, and it's blue with some stripes. Very, very pretty little knit. And I've never seen something quite like this before. Or had anything. It's also got that nice sleeve. I love Alice. Alice is amazing. So a very cute, very, very cute top. And finally, the piece that I'm so excited about is by Artisan NY Woman. Sorry. Oh, this is beautiful. This is an absolutely beautiful puffer vest. It's lighter weight, so it's something that I could wear, to work with a winter coat over it. That's the trouble this time of the year. It's been, I think it was -17 this morning without the wind chill. So when you're going out, a vest just doesn't cut it. You need a winter coat with you. So this is not super puffy, so your coat could be worn with it. But it's a really nice It's really nice blue, pretty with the kind of the, oh, what do they call it? Almost heathered through it almost. Yeah, this is gorgeous. So I am super excited about this box. If everything fits, I'm gonna be in trouble. So, but this definitely makes up for the Dia. And if she continues on the line that she is and can do for me, the Dia box will not be needed. You know, and she's just found some amazing pieces for me. I will try things on as soon as I can, get things posted, and I will provide you the link. Well, I think it's already in the bottom of my, I just kind of keep the same links. That way people can find whatever they're looking for. Oh, this has got pockets too. Oh, brilliant. But exciting, very, very. So anyway, I'm going to try things on in a little bit, and I will show them to you as I have them. Thanks so much. All right, everybody, that was the try on for the Stylogic box. A little bit red in the face here and looking like maybe a little bit of a hot mess, but I got everything tried on. One of the pairs of pants was a little tight, the non-embroidered pair. Just a little tight in the waist and a little short in the leg, but everything else fit like a dream. Love all the shirts. I showed you a bracelet and necklace set that I got through one of my Amazon reviews for Thomason. That looks really great with these pieces. Otherwise, it's a 6 for 7 out of this. And Alice, you did a bang up job. Love it. Love it all. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.